Most people who learn how to make money online will stay broke, not because the methods don't work, but because of a few silent mistakes almost nobody talks about. In this video, I'll show you exactly why this happens, and what the people who actually make money do differently. I've looked at hundreds of people trying to make money online. Some succeed, most don't, and the difference is rarely about which method they choose. The internet is filled with courses, guides, and promises of financial freedom, yet few translate it into sustainable income. The gap between learning and earning is vast and often unspoken. It's a quiet chasm where dreams are lost not to grand failures, but to subtle, almost invisible missteps that accumulate. People blame the method, but the root cause of failure is rarely the strategy. I've studied the patterns. The difference isn't a secret formula. The difference is in habits. The method is the vehicle. Your habits are the driver. This is not another promise of quick riches. It's a calm, honest look at the behaviors that keep people stuck. We won't debate the best business model. We'll examine the habits that sabotage progress on any path. These quiet mistakes prevent the compounding of effort. The goal is not a better secret. It's building a better system. This path isn't a sprint. It's a long walk of consistent, deliberate steps. People who succeed focus on process, build systems for action, not libraries of information. The first habit, collecting information instead of taking consistent action. Watching webinars, downloading PDFs, bookmarking articles. It looks productive. It feels like progress. In reality, it's often a sophisticated form of procrastination to avoid discomfort and uncertainty. True action means creating, testing, and shipping. Buying a course or taking notes gives dopamine without risk. But a plan on paper is not a business. Action is the only metric that moves the needle. Knowledge is useless until applied, tested, and refined. Many study 5 courses on getting clients, yet never send a single pitch. Create a bias toward action. For every hour you learn, spend at least 1 hour doing. Pick one method and one teacher. Follow one simple, concrete task daily for 30 days. If you're a writer, send one pitch today and another tomorrow. Small, consistent actions beat large, inconsistent bursts of learning. The second habit, switching methods too fast. The pivot trap. Commit to one strategy for a meaningful, predetermined period. Execute and gather data before judging. The third habit, focusing on income before systems. A one-time sale is an event. A repeatable funnel is a system. Chase events and you'll always be hunting. Build systems and the system hunts for you. Quick cash tactics often undermine building a durable asset, audience, and quality product. Spend a month building an email sequence. It builds an asset. The shortcut earns a pittance. After a viral hit, don't obsess over another. Build a system, email list, product, community. Shift focus from goal to process. Build one simple, repeatable system. Publish weekly and capture emails. For 30 days, execute the system flawlessly. Perfect the system and income becomes an inevitable byproduct. The fourth habit, underestimating how long it takes. Highlight reels distort reality. Most expect full-time income in 90 days. The truth. Dependable online income usually needs 6 to 18 months of consistent work. It takes time for SEO, trust, testing, and refinement. Most quit in months 2 or 3. Right in the dip. Publishing 3 quality posts weekly may show only a trickle at 2 months. That's normal. Set a 12-month first reel review before you start. Execute until that date. Replace, "Is this working yet?" with, "I'm executing my plan for 1 year." The fifth habit, copying what people show, not what they actually do. Visible success is the tip. The shadow system is the hidden foundation. Thousands of hours, hundreds of failed experiments, and daily routines. That's the foundation. Copying surfaces is building a skyscraper from the penthouse. It collapses. You copied slides and price, but not 5 years of list building and daily newsletters. Study routines, archives, failures, deconstruct habits. Copy the work, not the win. This list isn't to discourage you. It's a map to avoid common traps. Avoid the illusion of learning, constant pivoting, outcome obsession, short timelines, and copying surfaces. The way forward begins today with a single, small adjustment. Pause learning. Execute one action, lock one method, build one small system, reset your horizon. Calm, steady persistence outperforms frantic rushes. The internet rewards disciplined consistency. Most lose to impatience. Your job isn't to be the most talented, it's to not quit. Keep your goal in mind, put your energy into the daily process, let efforts compound.